Well, she's certainly locked in. Seagulls do not have the best reputation. They steal your ice cream, poop everywhere. But that shouldn't give the birds a bad reputation, right? Well, one Belgian coastal town thinks not, so they hold a seagull imitating contest. Partly aimed at trying to change the image of what many think are just pests.
We all know that seagulls are often despised by the public. They don't like them because the droppings fall all over. They open litter bins, they pick ice creams and sandwiches. And we thought, why not getting more sympathy for those seagulls, because they are part of the coast. There's no coast without seagulls.
So how does one even get involved in such a contest?
I study theater, and for a school job we had to look for an animal, and I just got fascinated by the seagull. So I started practicing, and my friend said, "Oh, that's so nice, why don't you?" And then they sent me these links of this championship, and then I thought, why not? This is so much fun.
15 out of 20 points go to how well participants mimic a seagull's call. 5 go to their posture and behavior. Meanwhile, this Dutchman accomplished what he came for. First-timer Jarmo, a 21-year-old architecture student from the Netherlands, beat out 49 others and took the crown for Best Seagull Imitator.
Happy. a bit overwhelmed still, but very happy to win here.
For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Stephanie Officer.